name is Doug De Peppe. I am the founder of eosedge Legal, which is a cyber law and services pure play, meaning that we focus on the cybersecurity market and combine services plus the practice of law. So lawyers, accountants, professional services providers, they have certain fiduciary duties. They need to ensure that their work is comprehensive. So Cybergaps provides a metric that assures them and their clients that the decisions they make are logically supported and are defensible. So Cybergaps was designed to combine an assessment methodology with a decision support tool. And what that means is there are a number of ways to go about improving cyber hygiene, but most of them are very detailed. They're difficult to implement and take a lot of time and are very costly. We wanted to create a fairly lightweight but comprehensive tool that helped organizations decide what needed to be done. And the important thing about Cybergaps is that it's based upon proven efficacy controls. In other words, what works for reducing risk. And it uses math that scores those efficacy controls in ways that reveal a score, and the score gives defensibility to the user. So the GDPR market is emerging May 25th, of course, and a lot of firms will tell you what GDPR says and summarize it for you. We do both. We both explain and coach an organization through GDPR, but GDPR has a number of significant privacy protections, measures, and controls that have to be implemented. So we don't just coach you through what GDPR requires and help you implement. We actually have a tool by using Cybergaps, which helps you enumerate where the privacy data is contained on your network and how to control it. You know, the biggest thing is organizations need to take responsibility and just start doing something. So start with forming a committee, identify what the areas of focus are in GDPR or just what their firm's vulnerabilities are, and get started. So form a committee. Look at certain areas, some technical and some technical and some governance areas. So for example, what's your greatest risk? Well, it may be your bank account. It may be your payroll. So what controls are on your HR systems? Right now from GDPR, there are certain incident response plans that you have to put in place and have an incident response team. So these are the services that we offer. We help organizations implement controls and policies, as well as support them either through Cybergaps or through an engagement. We think we can help members both become more secure, but also improve their business offerings. So a number of our global members serve as local counsel or a local provider for a network of providers. And with eosedge Legal and our EO Cyber Alliance, which is a network of providers, we can offer them to provide a new portfolio. They can offer a cyber portfolio to their clients and add more value by doing so. And we'll work with both law firms or professional service providers and work out their relationship as local counsel. And then we come in as a cyber pure play and offer cyber solutions. Yeah, so eosedge Legal and IR Global met a couple years ago at the San Francisco conference. We described our capability and our national and international reach, and there seemed to be a natural connection. From that, we developed Cybergaps for the IR Global members. We've, with IR Global, have done a number of pilots with the tool and improved it with a partner in New York City. And we've gotten great feedback from IR Global to improve the product. At this point, it's ready to go, and I think it's really valuable tool for IR Global members. The The philosophy of eosedge Legal was born from a practice that is operational. In other words, being retired military JAG Corps officer, we work a certain way with commanders, and it's important to be hands-on. It's important to bring value to the advisory. So what eosedge Legal does is we're interdisciplinary. So our three core discriminators are: we're interdisciplinary. We bring a whole team to the equation so that we both advise as well as implement. So we're interdisciplinary. We bring the advantage of privacy, so attorney-client privilege in the delivery of cyber services. A lot of customers or clients are a little hesitant and a little concerned about what they should or shouldn't do, or worry about making mistakes. That whole dialogue is confidential with a cyber law firm. And the third piece is, and it's rooted in where our heritage, that we believe we're deeply competent. We formed an interdisciplinary team. We formed a privacy-led law cyber practice from understanding that the clients want to have privacy in their discussions about what solutions to offer. And they want to have a one-stop shop. They want to be able to work with a trusted colleague to implement and address all their cyber needs. And that's what we bring to the table. So eosedge Legal, as a strategic partner with IR Global, stands ready and is available to help you with your cyber needs, whether that's GDPR compliance, a deployment of a Cybergaps assessment. We can help you get started. We can help form your incident response team, as well as the different policies that are required in the cyber market today. So if you have any questions in the whole cyber vertical, or if you want to discuss a Cybergaps engagement, please reach out to eosedge Legal. We'd be happy to help you.